Alright, now creating themes on Samsung Galaxy phones using Theme Park engine from Goodlock is not an easy process. It involves many steps to create a theme, and most of the times we don't get the themes right. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how easily you can create themes on Theme Park without breaking a sweat. Without wasting any time, let's dive right into the video. You can download Theme Park on Goodlock application. Just open Goodlock and you will see Theme Park. I have already installed it. Let's go ahead and open Theme Park and create a theme here. Let's go ahead and tap on theme and tap on create theme. Now here, of course, you can go with the current wallpaper or you can choose your own wallpaper from gallery. Let's go with current wallpaper. Now here is something very important you need to note. Now usually we select a specific color here, right? And then we go with the color combination. Now instead, what you do is you tap on this specific icon that you're seeing here. Once you tap that, you will see various different options. For background, you can choose a color. On the background, you can choose a color. You can choose a color for surface, and on the surface, then we have got primary color. On primary color, what color you need, secondary color, error colors, and highlight colors. Now this makes life much easier on Theme Park because all those colors can be selected right over here on this. Now you can see background is already selected. It is in dark. Now on the background, you can select a specific color. Let me increase the saturation. Let me keep this color and tap on OK. You can see the keys get this particular teal color on that dark background. And if I swipe towards the right, you can see teal color is on the text. On all the text that you see, we have got the phone dialer with the teal color, and we also have the clock and other applications in teal color. Now let's select a primary color here. Now the primary colors are these colors here. Let me scroll towards the right and select this primary color. Let me just increase the saturation. Let's go with red. I'll tap on OK. Now this is the red color you will see on all those buttons. And you can also see these icons on the settings menu. You will find this particular primary color, and for the message contacts. And you'll also see the primary color here on the background for your quick panel. So you can easily see which are the primary colors that is getting affected once you select a specific color for primary color. After primary, let's change the toggle colors here. That is right over here. This is a secondary color. Let me select the secondary color here and let's go with red. I'll tap on OK. You see that all these toggles and the brightness bar are all in red color now. This is the secondary color on the theme. If you want to change the error color, you can change that. And highlight color, if you want to change, you can change that. Now, right now we have got this contrast. And if you want to change the theming for the messaging application, you can tap on this and then select specific colors for the message background. Let's say I want to change this background to blue. I can tap on OK. Change this background to maybe light blue. I'll tap on OK. And the text maybe to white. Let's decrease the saturation. Select white. And this teal color also, let's change it to white. And let's change this color also to white. Now this is how your messaging application looks. You can just go back. So this means we can change the messaging background independently while applying all these primary, secondary colors over here. And one more important thing to note here is you can change the surface color as well. Let me select the surface color here. Let me increase the saturation. If I select surface color as this particular dark green, I'll tap on OK. You see that this is how the surface color would look. I have already applied a theme with surface color. Let me just show you that. Let's go to the settings here. You see this. This is the background with the surface color green. Now you can change the surface color completely, or you can make it a completely dark background by selecting the surface color as black. Let me select the surface color as black here and tap on OK. Check that out. We've got completely black background with red accents, which look pretty cool. After this, just tap on this OK button. Now, if you want to simply select combination of two colors, you can do that as well. But since we have selected the colors as per our preferences on the surfaces and on the text, on the background and everything, we can go ahead and download this theme. Let me name it and tap on OK. We have just created this theme. Tap on apply. It takes a few seconds to apply the theme. This is how it's going to look. Look at this. Look, this is your quick panel. Settings. With completely black background. When you get into a specific setting, you can see that we have got these red accents right over here. Now let me also show you how you can change the transparency of your quick panel and the notification panel while creating a theme. Let me select the same theme and tap on edit. Now here let me tap on quick panel. You can see we can customize both the notification panel and quick panel, and here you can change the blur level for the background. If you want it to be completely blur, increase it to 100% and go to the notification panel here. If you don't want this background color, what you can do is just select this particular circle here to change the background. Here, just reduce the transparency to 0 and tap on OK. Here you can see we only have text on the background, which actually looks nice. We can also select the text color here. You can make it black if you want and then save it. As simple as that. So you can configure the theme for the quick panel and notification panel as well in a few simple steps. Now let me just quickly show you the theme that I had already created. Let me select this theme here and tap on apply. Let me show you the quick panel here. It's a similar quick panel that we have. I'll go to the settings, completely black background with red accents. Let me go to the battery here. You can see here we've got red accents everywhere. And if I go to the keyboard, you can see it's completely black keyboard, and even the search bar is completely black. And if I change this to light theme, you can see this is how it looks. If I go to the settings, you will have these accents on the light theme as well. And you can independently customize the colors for light theme and dark theme. For that, while creating the theme, all you need to do is just tap on this particular icon. This is for the dark theme. You can see the dark icon is here. And when I select the light theme, this is how the colors are going to look. And you can customize these colors for the light theme as well. Just tap on this icon and then you can change the background, on background color, surface color and everything. And you can create your own theme, which will be applied when you turn your phone from dark mode to light mode. So this is tricky. You need to select this specific mode here and then create a theme so that the same theme or the same colors will be applied when you select that particular mode, either dark mode or light mode right here. That is something to keep in mind. So it's a very simple process. You can go ahead and try it out. And if you don't want all this headache, you can always go ahead and change the color palettes. Go to the wallpaper and style, tap on color palette and select the color that you want. Even this looks pretty cool, but this doesn't give you that deeper customization for the quick panel, keyboard, notification panel or sound panel. So if you want that deeper customization, you have to go with Theme Park, and it's very easy to customize. Do go ahead and check it out. And if you are a customization lover, we do offer a wallpaper application called Wallverse, which offers some incredible collections, some amazing free and premium wallpapers. Tons of collections are available, and we also have video wallpaper section. We will be adding more and more new wallpapers on the application. So go ahead, check it out. We have got more than 7,000 wallpapers on the application. The link for the app is in the description. And if you could rate it 5-star on the Play Store, I would really appreciate that. It motivates me to keep coming up with more and more wallpapers for you guys. So go ahead, rate it 5-star on the application, and do not forget to hit that like button for this video and subscribe to the channel as well. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.